Good morning, Nick from the Growth Agency here. I'm going to show you how to register your first domain name. You need a domain name if you want to build your own website. Your domain name is your address where people will find you, either on Google or by putting your address in their web browser. We use a company called 123reg for our domain name registrations. We've been using them for quite a number of years, and actually they're one of the first UK registrars that offered this service in the UK. They were established in 1999 and we like the company. They were recently purchased by GoDaddy, but we find that their user interface and their customer support is great, so we continue to use them. If you have a business name, or an idea, or a product or service, and you'd like a specific domain name for that product or service, you search here. I'm just using new product as an example, but it will show you what domains are available using that name. If it's for a UK business, we tend to suggest that users buy the .co.uk variant. Google will serve this up in search results sooner than .com names if a UK person is searching for a business in the UK. We use .com variants when a company is global. They tend to be a little bit more expensive. Look at this, £6,537 to buy that .com domain, whereas the new product .co.uk is 99p for the first year. So you basically get provided with a list of the domains that are available, and you simply add them to your basket and proceed to buy them. Now, we've already have an account with A123reg, if you don't you need to set one up, but that's pretty easy. So when you've selected the domains you wish to buy, they will offer you some other services. This is 123reg's website builder service, and like lots of other domain registrars, 123reg now offers this service and they're offering it for free. If you plan on using 123reg to build your website, it's a good place to start. If you're not, and you use a third party, or for instance you want to build a WordPress website, you don't need this service. So we're going to click remove for the moment. .123reg is also offering to host our email service for us on that domain. So this means you could have email addresses that say tony@thenewproduct.co.uk or john@thenewproduct.co.uk or mary@thenewproduct.co.uk, and so forth. We tend to recommend that people use Gmail, but if not, and you want 123reg to host your email service, this again is a very good place to start. You would add that to your basket, but we're going to leave that for now. Okay. So we've got this domain in our basket here. It gives us the option to buy it for 2 years and it's given us a discount. That means we're going to pay £12.98 for that. We get the choice with .co, UK domains and .com domains to register them for up to 10 years, which obviously brings the price right down. For the purposes of this exercise, we'll just leave it at 2 years. And here's where it asks you to log in. Now we've got an account with 123reg, we log in here, but if not, you would create an account here, provide them with your details, and you're good to go. Obviously your details will be entered here. Your payment will be entered here and you'll get a success. I can't show you all of those steps in this demonstration, due to confidential details that we've got within our account, but I'm sure you get the idea. And congratulations, you've purchased your domain. There you have it, you've registered your first domain name.